My name is Vincent Gröne from Satair, and we're here at the ap&m 2018 in London at the Satair stand. Right next to me is a 3D printer demonstrating how Satair is additively manufacturing flying parts and tools. This printer is a polymer printer, but Satair is also offering additive metal solutions. An example of a metal solution is this build plate. Satair is also designing and manufacturing customized parts and tools according to customer needs. And Satair also gives trainings on additive manufacturing, not just on the designing and manufacturing, but also on certification and establishing a supply chain. So talk to us about additive manufacturing.